welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a walk through the Dollar Tree. This Dollar Tree was very poor on the Valentine's things, as you can see. Nothing much, excuse my hand. Nothing much to see. All those signs were empty. And I was going to this Dollar Tree because it's the one that is mostly well stocked. But no, look at this heart. It had those little felt flowers covering the little plastic to protect them. That was nice. Dollar Tree's going up. Look at those envelopes. I missed those when I was in the store. I like those. Look at this sign. It has a metal detail thing there with the little hearts. It's nice. Anything with add-ons makes it more chic. Look at those mason jars. I missed them on the first round. I love those little gnome truck. But I think my sister would have liked it better if she would buy it. Those hearts are also very nice. They look like chalk. This all you need is love, darling. This one's nice too. I like the little beads on the top. But it was very empty. Very empty. These are like the kind of like the school area for the goodie bags. The treat bags. They had, I believe, four designs: the hearts, the koalas, and the bigger hearts that said Happy Valentine's Day. Now I move over to the candy and I saw these hearts Russell Stover. Haven't seen them. I didn't see them last year. Maybe they were, but I didn't see them. They had all those little cute pictures, and they had their usual chocolate hearts from the Dollar Tree and your regular candy and those silly monkeys in your three color white, red, and pink. I am recording in my phone, so you're gonna be seeing my finger plenty of times. I'm sorry, or my nails, I should say. Look at all these other ones, all the candy. I'm showing you because this is a good idea for teachers' gifts and like best friend gifts. Your plastic area where those that bins are hearts and hugs, and the little area with the little plushes. Now these ones are really nice. Look at best friend, two for $1 or $1 25, I should say. And little doggies for Christmas I got those one time. They had little elves and stuff. Look at that one, little cookie. Look at that one, Forever Friends, little frog, 2 in 1, very cute. It's good for the best friends. These little bears are super soft and super cute and very plump. I do recommend these scented plushes um, from the other ones. That cute little gnome had like a heavy bottom. The little cute donut with the kiss. Over here is like the gift area with all those stuff, little mini things, and I saw the gnomes for Valentine's. I hadn't seen a gnome with the braids, so the women gnome, and then I saw a colored gnome with darker hair instead of white like the other one. This one was grayish, and you can see she's a brown lady, very cute. The little board that I'm about to grab, I thought it was bigger when I saw it in somebody else's hauls, but it's kind of small. But it's cute if you want to have it in like your coffee bar or some little cute area. They had it in a white color as well. I saw the little lip gloss, not in my interest. Oh, and then I saw that American cookie. I was trying to see if it was soft and I accidentally broke it. I am sorry, Dollar Tree. They have those bins for the cookies and the cupcakes and your regular cookie area. I was actually looking for the measuring cups, the hearted measuring cups, and of course they didn't have it right here. This is the craft area where you have your, they had styrofoam hearts, the wood crafts, the pom poms. Um, that little truck was metal or tin little hearts. I saw these little paper flowers that were nice. All your little crafting section. And there's your cookie cutter and the spatula. It was nice. I saw them on the other side as well. Look at these kitchen towels. They're very thin, but they're cute design, but very thin. They had toys for the cat. I saw these ones. I have gone before. They're really nice. They're wired, kind of like flower design thing with pearls. Very nice. Look at this. I found those like scrunchies for your hair. Actually, that actually pulls on my hair, but it's cute to have. But they will end up, you will end up losing the shape of the heart. Those cotton candy things are very nice, by the way. The mic robe. There was these ladies that were right next to me. I didn't want to record, but yeah. Cold iPads, very cute, pink and in gold. And I also saw these little soaps. I also saw another one with like a red heart in the middle, which I don't think I recorded, but I saw it somewhere. And this are bronzer blush, and that one looked like a donut. And it had all your spa essentials right there. I was kind of bummed that they didn't have enough, um, not enough Valentine's things. That's for your feet. A pumice rock. And then I saw this hard makeup remover pads. They're cute. I already have some, so I didn't get one. But it's cute if you're gonna do like a little present for your friend or anything. Little headbands in pink and in red, and your flowers. I did went back to this area, um, because I kind of double check on things in case I missed something, and because I didn't see those flowers that were like singled out and had little hearts. I'm about to show you, or the glittery, right over there. All that little area was cute. Look at that, has the hearts. Those are styrofoam hearts. And then I saw the mason jar signs that has the little metal detail on top. Happy Valentine's Day and hugs, kisses, and Valentine wishes. Very cute. I panned it one more time. Then I go to the Valentine area, Valentine card area. Your dollar. I think this is the way to go when you want to buy a card. They have a lot of variations and very cute. And then I went to the party area. They had a great selection of gift bags. Look at this one with the princesses. I thought it was nice. I have nothing to do with it, but yeah, right there I'm trying to hold. They had no cards, so I was holding my things on my hand while recording. But that bag is super cute. Also, you can put them in a frame, which I'm barely thinking about. I should have gotten it. Look at that one with the Minnie Mouse, Frozen, and the heroes, superheroes. That one's cute too. The princesses. And then for weddings, for the wedding, not all Dollar Trees have the same selection of bags. I gotta tell you that. And then they were well stocked on the area for school. Look at amazing 300 sticker packs, and all the books were really nice as well. That's why I thought I was gonna come to a well stocked store, but I didn't, because most of the areas look neat like this, but not the Valentine area. I kind of pan a little bit to the toy. This one's kind of new. I hadn't seen that. Fashion doll closet and all the Disney area for little toys. I did bought all the characters from the Peppa Pig for my daughter for stocking stuffers for Christmas, because then it'll be expensive if you buy them as a whole. And at $1.25, like maybe it's the same thing. What am I saying? All the little toy area, they were nice, but nothing new to my eye, at least. Then I went back to this little area of the Valentines, because look at that. I saw this little board that's kind of like freehand board. You can write welcome or home or whatever you like. It does have a little home edging on the top. And I went to the office area where I saw these pins from John. Very cute, colorful, and like pearl. And they had all the plastic ones. They were plastic too, but I mean, they're nice colors. Then I saw, I'm panning actually through the office area to see if you want like something. These Westcott scissors are wonderful for your kids. Then I saw those pen holders. I thought it was doubled, but then, excuse me, I'm using my one hand, but it's just one. But if you double it, it looks nicer. I think if you have one, it'll tip over. So there's that. If you want to do that, I recommend for you to buy two. Table stand, you can buy like that one. You can put your laptop or your book or something to prop there. Laptop, I think it would be too hot. There's all those notepad areas and the area for shipping. Silica gel things. I was surprised I saw those in case you have a small business like I do. Those are helpful, but they're kind of expensive if you buy from Dollar Tree because single ones, might as well buy it from Amazon. This pencil box was kind of new to my eyes again. Had double the storage, the bottom, and that zip one on the top for little things or like pencil sharpeners or little notes. Then I saw this other one which I hadn't seen either. They are eco-friendly pens. And then this ones which are fine line like eyeliner pens and three color, black, blue and red. Nice. I was actually looking for the triboard like the science boards, but I didn't find any here. They had really nice markers, not markers, highlighters. I don't think I recorded that though. That area is messy. Always, I think. Then I went to this little area where the stickers and the coloring, like by numbers and the fuzzy little thing. Then we have our area with our wood. Those little boards are really nice. And they have the metal lettering and such. Panning out. I don't see anything new to my eyes. Maybe it's new to you. Slowly panning for ya. They were well stocked on paint and all those things for crafting. Then I saw that. I thought they were coasters, but it says farm decor, something like that. Farmhouse signs. They look like little coasters. There were three in a pack. Farm fresh. The little family red truck. And gather. And probably the other one says family gathers or something like that. Then I saw this little Crafter Square crafting paper pad. You can see my reflection right there. They had these nice papers. Look at that. Nice for a little frame or like Mod Podge it to something. They were really cute. There were multiples of the same design. And then I saw the boho craft kit. The little ring with the little things. That's cute. You can have it add on flowers as well and make it more cuter. They have those fabric uh, pieces. And I saw the pom pom maker in a different size. I think I've seen the bigger one. I hadn't seen the smaller one. Then the glue pads. There's like silicone, like silicone little pads. And all those little areas. I hadn't seen that silicone pad before. That's why I'm showing you. And then they have the yarn pom poms in really colorful colors. I thought those were cute. I hadn't seen those before as well. But I also haven't been to the Dollar Tree for a while. They have a missing toolkit. All the little woodcraft. I hadn't seen the ones that look like a little house or these beads. They're cute for like curtain holders. Then I went to like the fun finds. Nothing fun for me actually. This is the only store I think of the Dollar Tree stores that I have like an actual aisle for it. I found those little trinket trays, but I thought they were really hot, like not deep enough to hold something. I'm sorry for what I said when I was hungry. That's a cute sign. I think it was just a paper from a notepad that broke. Then we have our little area with our garden, not a garden, like floral area, and emptiness and more flowers over here. I was actually trying to see those little flowers on the bottom that look like um, all kinds of colors, but I didn't grab them. You can see I grabbed flowers. Then I saw this area for the party section, and I thought that one was kind of nice. The truffle container. They had all different colors: the purple, the blue, the pink, and the red, and the clear. Look at that. Those are nice. They're very expensive if you go to the party store. For $1.25, I think is good. Your little candy scooper things. Then we have the clear section. But those are really chic. And then silver. And then this little Dollar Tree had the $5 section, but only on the food area, not in the actual things. I thought it was nice that I saw the Mexico mini pops by $5. I think they're cheaper somewhere else. I might be mistaken, but all that it's dollar, like $1.25. In the $5 area, you also had your chicken nuggets, fish sticks, potato tots, taquitos, those ice cream cones over there. Then I saw somebody watching me recording, kind of freak out. Then I went to this other area where the beauty things are, like hair accessories. And then I saw those Fruit of the Loom socks. Look at that. For $1.25, 10 pairs. They were kind of like on the boy colors. I only have two girls, but socks are socks. They're on inside of your shoe. Who sees that? They're on the large. I think they were all large size for the 3 to 5 year olds. I think, and they were Fruit of the Loom, so make sure you got those. Then I went to the hair accessories. Look at those pom pom pins. They're so cute. They're well stocked in here as well. And look at those snap clips. Love for Valentine's, or those scrunchies. They're really nice. Every time I do that, it's because I pause my phone, by the way. Look at this headband, fussy headband with the knot in the middle. I think they were cute. Then I saw those cat ears. Can you see those cat ears? With the fluffy, like llama ears, but they're kind of flimsy, to be honest. So I didn't get those. I was tempted, but I didn't get them. But I think that is all that I'm going to show you from this Dollar Tree. Hopefully you like this walkthrough. Look at her hair clips, really nice. Hopefully you like this walkthrough to the Dollar Tree, and you get to see all the items that are out and new to my eyes. Other than that, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.